To purchase bones, or specifically the tragedy bones, in Moomoo. Start by opening the Moomoo app on your phone. Navigate to the Wealth option and click on it. From there, locate the Bones option at the top and select it. This will display a list of available bones, including those that are part of various strategies. Choose the bone you wish to buy, and you will be shown its details, such as the price, index, shape, build, ask, and historical data. To proceed with the purchase, click the Trade button, which will prompt two options: buy or sell. Note that you must have a verified account to access these options. Once verified, select the Buy option, enter the amount you want to purchase, and click the Buy button again. Your bone will then be purchased and added to your Moomoo account.